The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, air conditioning, front, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, cruise control, aluminum wheels. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.